Literally love this. Let me just...
And it goes a little something like...
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog, which I'm actually really excited to do because I'm going to be doing my closet organization. Right now, don't judge me when you see it. It's a little bit of a mess. I've lived in my apartment for, I think, 6 months now, and I kind of organize it a little bit. I'm like trying to color coordinate it, but I mean, I could do better, which what I'm gonna do today in this video. I'm gonna like run to Target and I'm gonna get a couple bins, and I'm gonna need some more hangers because right now everything is just like shoved on a shelf, which some of them should probably be hung up. But it snowed so bad. Oh my gosh. Like, it snowed so bad like a week ago, and then when we thought we had no space for more snow, it snowed another like foot. So that's good. Also, so excited because my new vlogging camera is coming Thursday. So like, even though this quality is okay, the Canon G7X Mark II will be much better, I'm sure. But I'm excited for that, so stay tuned. I'm in the gym parking lot recording, so I hope nobody can see me and think I'm like a total weirdo talking to myself. Guys, I'm so dumb. I just recorded like 3 different clips. Oh my gosh, don't fall. I just recorded like 3 different clips. I left the radio on. This is new to me. Okay, this like vlogging stuff. So those clips don't work. Just re-say what I was saying. I drank an Alani Nu, and I'm literally such a caffeine addict. It's bad. Like, I drank one of those Alani Nu, the Blue Slush by Whitney. It's delicious, but I don't feel energized. I could drink like 3 of those, honestly. But anyways, I'm just gonna do this workout even though I'm feeling a little, but that's okay. And I'll go inside. Let's get it. Okay guys, I am back in my apartment. I let Bentley out. Hi baby. I let him out of his crate. Now, okay, let me show you my closet. Okay, so yeah, okay, hold on. So let's see, let's start. So this side, all these clothes are actually my roommates because my closet is, as you can see, it's like literally ginormous. And hers is like really small, which they kind of did, like, they did these apartments kind of dirty for that. So this is her stuff. So I'm not going to touch that side, but let's just come in. Hi, welcome. So this is the top. Oh God. And then this is my clothes. Okay, they're all in hangers, but like I could definitely use some more. This is like a random little bin of stuff. Bentley's blanket, my laundry bin. Ooh, maybe I wash those clothes today. And then my shoes, and then a toy from Bentley. Nice. So yeah, I told you it's kind of bad. We're gonna go to Target, but I'm gonna wait for my roommate to get back because I think she wants to come as well. What I'm gonna do while I'm waiting for her to come back is I'm gonna work a little bit on my computer and see how my clients are looking this week. Okay, let me write down some video ideas. I got this journal and I write like what I'm gonna do my videos on, and I write a description. Like right now, this is a full thing of the pros and cons of having a business, which is a video that's going to be coming out soon. Actually, maybe that'll come out Saturday. Okay, also, quick conversation. I wanted to talk to you guys about, I think I'm going to do a schedule, like post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, just to one, hold me accountable, and then two, maybe give you guys something to like look forward to and when I'm gonna post. I think having a schedule is gonna keep me very organized because with my clients and also recording. Also, Bentley is playing with a toy. You can hear it in the background. But I think it'll hold me accountable a little bit more. But for right now, let me just write some details really quick, and I'm gonna do a little work before my roommate comes home. So I'm actually going to really quickly take a body shower. When we go to Target, I'm ready to go. So let me do that and then I'll be right back. I have on another sweater from Aerie because, well, it's like American Eagle and kind of Aerie. I think this one's Aerie, but the other one was American Eagle. From American Eagle as well. We're gonna go to Target and then maybe I'll, nah, probably not. I was gonna say maybe I'll vlog in Target, but we'll see. But I'll see you guys when we get back. To show you guys what I got. I went to TJ Maxx too. I got some hangers. I got 2 bins and then a new laundry basket. Oh, these things. Hold on. Make some scissors. Okay guys, are you even ready? What? We got the color coordination. Dang. And my bins. And even my laundry bin. She looks great. I'm literally sweating in here. Like, I'm sweating. Whew, that took so long. But doesn't it look so good? So now, like I said, it's bachelor night. So I'm gonna go to my mom's house. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I'm just gonna go to my mom's house and we are, see if this makes it better. No. We're gonna watch The Bachelor. We're just gonna chill, and then I'll come back here and honestly probably just go to sleep. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.